Montage of individuals engaging in various forms of exercise. Welcome to our Weight Loss, where we provide you with empowering content to support your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Healthy and nutritious food choices. We believe that weight loss is not just about numbers on a scale but about nourishing your body with wholesome foods that fuel your energy and promote overall well-being. Preparing healthy meals and snacks. Throughout this reel, we'll share delicious and nutritious recipes, meal ideas, and smart snacking tips to help you make mindful choices on your weight loss journey. Cardio and strength training exercises. Regular physical activity is key to weight loss and overall fitness. We'll guide you through effective workouts and exercises that can help you burn calories, build strength, and improve your cardiovascular health. Embrace your health, transform your life. Whether you're just starting your weight loss journey or looking for that extra push, we're here to support and empower you every step of the way. Remember, it's not just about reaching a certain weight, it's about prioritizing your health and finding balance in your lifestyle.